Hey guys, what's up? Patrick here, Pack Off-Road. We are about to go to an event tomorrow. So this is the prep bridge of getting ready to go to an event. It is a hell of a lot of work, a lot of loading up, a lot of making sure you got everything you need, a lot of, hey, I gotta get a new hat, so the sun stays off my head, things like that. So in the background here, as you can see, I have loaded up already. So let me tell you what we got here. So check out the Avy. The Avy is squatted just a little bit. There's really not much I can do about that. So I got the bed loaded up with a couple tools, ice chest, electrical sockets, whatever I need, some chain. Got the 1000 XT loaded up. Got the 800 Razor S loaded up, ready to rock on this nice new addition to the Pack trailer setups. This is that heavy duty trailer. I'm about to have to deal with that and get that from him, but he's let me borrow it and use it. Thank you, Mr. Allen. But looks like this is going to be ours, so which is nice. Yeah, check it out, guys. So we're loaded up, ready to go. We're going to Misfits Off-Road in Mississippi. I can't pronounce the name right now. Sorry. But, yeah, I had to put a brake control in here to be able to haul this sucker. So here's the new controller in the Avy. Sitting over here. Everything works like it should. I did have a lot of issues as far as this plug over here was bad, so I had to swap it out. The one on the end of here. So this is helping out. None of the brake lights were coming in when I would plug the old plug in. So yeah, not happening no moto. So now the brake lights are off while it's plugged in. It was just a bad end. So yeah, guys, we're gonna come back and we're gonna be at the park, guys, and we're gonna have a good time. So if y'all would hit that like and subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and we'll see you at the mud park. Y'all take it easy.